Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Fiery Empress. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams and goals, the manifestation jar. If you're ready to turn your desires into reality, stick around because I'm going to guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what a manifestation jar is. It's a simple yet effective way to focus your energy and intentions on your goals. You can use it for anything, from attracting love and abundance to achieving career success or personal growth. Step 1. Gather your materials. To make your own manifestation jar, you'll need a few basic materials. Grab a jar, any size will do, some paper and a pen, scissors, and any decorative elements you want to add, like ribbons or stickers. Step 2. Set clear intentions. Before you start writing anything down, take a moment to reflect on your goals. What do you want to manifest in your life? Be specific and clear about your intentions. This is a crucial step in the manifestation process. Step 3. Write down your desires. Now, take your pen and paper and start writing down your desires. Use positive language and be as detailed as possible. Whether it's a new job, a healthy relationship, or personal growth, make each statement empowering and affirmative. Step 4. Cut and decorate. Once you've written down your desires, cut each statement into individual pieces. This is where you can get creative. Decorate the pieces with symbols, colors, or anything that resonates with your goals. This adds a personal touch and enhances the vibrational energy of your manifestations. Step 5. Place desires in the jar. Fold each piece of paper and place it into the jar. As you do this, visualize yourself already living the life you desire. Feel the emotions associated with achieving those goals. This step is all about infusing your intentions with positive energy. Step 6. Add crystals or symbols, optional. For an extra boost, consider adding crystals or symbols that are associated with manifestation. Crystals like citrine, clear quartz, or amethyst can enhance the energy in your jar. Choose symbols that resonate with your goals and place them in the jar as well. Step 7. Display your manifestation jar. Find a special place for your manifestation jar where you'll see it regularly. It could be on your desk, bedside table, or any place where you spend time. The key is to keep your goals in your awareness. And there you have it, your very own manifestation jar. Remember to revisit your jar regularly, updating it as your goals evolve. The power of manifestation lies in consistency and belief. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal development and manifestation. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy manifesting!